Exploring Rajkot's old city on foot. Old Rajkot is where the past still whispers in every wall, every turn, and every plate of street food. Why recommend this walk? Heritage spots, Times Jubilee Garden, Watson Museum, and colonial-era buildings, perfect for history buffs and architecture lovers. Local bazaars, Times Bangdi Bazaar and Soni Bazaar, packed with silver jewelry, fabrics, and snacks. A shopper's paradise with unbeatable local vibes. Street food corners, Times Ghugra, Poha, Kachori, Gathia, served hot and fresh. Authentic taste in every bite. Fort over the streets, Times bright doorways, rustic textures, temple bells ringing in the background. Instagrammable every few steps. Perfect for solo travelers, culture seekers, and anyone who wants to feel the real Rajkot. Exploring old Rajkot isn't just a walk, it's a journey through time.